What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Ruben? A quick demo video for you for your KY Sabers Jedi Killer. As you know, I just got this done. I got it in the mail, I think, yesterday, maybe the day before, but all done now. Installed with the Proffie V2. You've got this lit PCB in here for NeoPixel. It's a dual crystal chamber, and per your request, I did leave the mesh on here, but behind the mesh is a real quartz crystal, right? So you got the one that KY provided up here, and then this one. They are both wired independently from each other, and they're wired independently from the blade. So on this config file, which you'll find a copy of on your SD card, there's 3 blade styles for every font: your blade, your top crystal, and then your bottom crystal. How you get to everything is you just want to loosen this bolt in the handle. I did shave quite a bit off so it wouldn't interfere with the chassis. So it's pretty short. You just want to make sure you don't lose that guy. But once you take that off, you can slide your handle off just like that. And then here's your chassis for this guy, right? I just kind of weathered it up with some gray to match kind of the weathered or the cornered accents on the saber. So there's your Proffie board right here. Easy access to your micro USB, but you would need to pop it up to get to your SD card, and you just pop it up diagonally like that and snap it back down. It's a very tight snap fit down into the chassis, and then Smuggler's Outpost emblem. You've got a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and then you've got a removable battery setup for this guy too here, right? So there's your spring side. We'll throw a battery in. I got the 3 fonts that you sent me on here. So it's a nice tight snap fit down into the chassis like it's meant to be. We'll put this handle on real quick and then lock it down. Doesn't take long to do. And once you get that locked down, this is what I've got on this particular font. I've got your crystals doing this. I've got them doing something different on all 3 fonts, but this is the one on this one. So you turn it on. Thing is super loud. You twist off, or your buttons up here. So your top button would be your activation, and your bottom is your auxiliary. So if we hit that,
what could you give me? Everything.
we'll throw a blade in this guy. You've got 2 different blade retentions. You've got this one down here, and then this guy up here. I'm going to use the top one. You can use either one of them, or you could use both of them. But this takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. And then we'll lock it down too. Hit auxiliary to go to the next sound font.
Dark Jedi.
I got your crystals doing this on this one. Flash on flash. We'll do one more.
It is the Dark Saber.
And we're back to the beginning. To get to your soundtrack, just hold down power and let go for 1 second.
Dark side of the Force is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be room.
And then do the same thing to turn it off. Just hold it down for 1 second and let go. One more time. Hopefully you can hear how loud that is. This thing is just screaming loud. Go ahead and take the blade out of it and then go over taking the battery out, which is really easy to do. We'll pop that out. Then we want to come back over here and take this piece out for the handle. Handle comes right off. And then from the positive side of the battery by the speaker, you should be able to pop it out with your finger just like that. And that is pretty much your KY Saber Jedi Killer. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you on the 3rd. All right, thanks.